That's horrible.
The National Weather Service in Gray, Maine has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Hillsborough County in southern New Hampshire, Chesire County in southern New Hampshire, southern Sullivan County in central New Hampshire, until 1:45 a.m. At 7:47 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 3 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Keene, Jaffrey, Peterborough, Charlestown, Winchester, Antrim, Greenfield, Bradford, Dublin, Bennington, Richmond, Harrisville, Nelson, Chesterfield, Marlborough, Walpole, Troy, Swansea, and Westmoreland.